Elsa. Elsa Cabelsa. That's a bit difficult to walk around. The chair's right on the slope. Come here. Careful, careful. My good girl. She's my good girl, aren't you? You're used to living on the farm now, aren't you? Yeah, it's nice. Yeah? You're used to living with on the farm with your original mum. And Sophia comes to visit. Hey? Yeah. Yeah. You've got your rug on. I left your rug on because it's windy. Yes. You're a happy girl. You play with Bundy, don't you? Because Bundy, she was living with Bundy when she got baited. They used to play. She used to dance all around. They're getting good now. Hey? Hey? Hey, you go up and down that driveway. You're so clever. Yes, you're clever. We said goodbye to Penny, didn't we, darling? Yeah. And when we say goodbye to Sophia, she leans her head against my hip and I just pat her little head. She's a good girl. So glad we've got her. I'll cut this off and post a separate video of her.